I made it. Yes, I met my investing goal. Hey everyone, welcome to ITBF Channel, also known as Invest to Be Free. I'm Gav, and this is my personal finance and investing channel where I share my finance and investing experience and tips. Before we begin, just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I make these videos for recreational and educational purposes only. Please consult a professional for personal finance and investing matters. Okay, let's get started shortly. At the beginning of this year, 2020, 3rd of May to be exact, I took advantage of the stock market dip. I had spare cash in my bank account that I had planned on investing. And after that, I opened up M1 Finance and invested about $1,500 at the beginning of the year and built it over time by investing a certain percentage of my monthly paycheck and staying consistent with my investing strategy, which is buy and hold. So fast forward to 25th November 20, I actually hit my goal of $25,000, 25K in my M1 Finance account. Call it luck, maybe, because it was when I checked my account, it was on 25th November and I actually hit my $25,000 target that I set for myself. So maybe luck, I don't know, but here's the main lesson and the big takeaway is that the main catalyst that helped my account reach 25,000 are my Tesla and Apple stocks. I took advantage of the market dip. I bought Tesla and Apple and some other stocks that I been wanting to buy, and they skyrocketed. So with that, if you're wondering whether it is possible to hit your investing goals, the answer is a big fat yes. Of course you can. The lesson here that I'm trying to convey is that if you start now and implement a solid investing strategy, you will eventually attain your goals. Okay, so what's next for me? Well, I'll keep investing, and this time I'm setting my personal investing target for 2021 at $100,000. It may sound overreaching and overdoing it, but I believe I can hit this 100,000 target by the end of year 2021. So, all right, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm happy and super stoked, and I didn't mean to flex, and if it is, then it's a humble flex. With that, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have questions, please comment down below and I'll get to your question as soon as I can. With that, stay safe and happy investing. See you guys in the next video. Bye.